versus how much storage do I have. With air conditioning, there are more, let's say, established methods to say, well, I'm going to put this much of kilowatt versus this much of storage. With the heating, because we need to size both. Air conditioning, we're not sizing any storage, except thermal storage tank, which is a different topic. So for that part, what is the recommended, let's say, way to establish how much storage do I have, how much heat? Because the more storage you have, the less capacity you need, and vice versa. And this is to anyone who wants to add to that.
One last point, it's okay. For the start of any project, we did this comparison. We did it in long life cycle of the project. Whether to this way or this way, and advantages and disadvantages on the life cycle of the system itself. And end of the day, we present this one to our client or decision maker. This is advantage or disadvantage, and this, for example, the central system. And we deal end of the day for this one. Yeah.
If I may.
It's very important to care about hot water calculation and reheat, as Ahmed said. For example, as per my recent experience with the stadium will participate in Asian Federation, it was a critical part while discussion with the PMC or client at this time, how to estimate the hot water required for the player rooms. So we have to imagine how many player rooms will use this hot water, and whether it will be 2 cycles. So we will consider for the reheating, or it shall be one time, cannot be in 2 cycles. So it was a great, as it was also a refurbishment project, not only from scratch. So from here, I'd like to say that the application itself is different.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, actually, I'm not agree 100%. It's a common in our projects. It's not in Saudi Arabia. It's not common as a smell, but I agree in the second part, in that densely occupied, as my friend said, like hotels, like publics. But this is, let's see, to overcome such issue, it's an integrated cycle. Started from the design itself until finish the execution and operation. And here is the secret. Operators and how to maintain such system is the secret of this one. All of us, if operator has the strong awareness about how to maintain the drainage system, we cannot see such issues. For example, if operator know how we add these P-traps to eliminate or avoid having these smells back to our spaces, he will know that if this space is not used for a long time, this P-trap will be dry, so smell expected. So my additional point to my friend is the strong awareness of operator is the secret of this issue.
I prefer to end my speak with the engagement of plumbing engineer or mechanical engineer for general for the Giga project from the early stages. This engagement on the early stages allows you to shape the strategies of whole the project on all its life cycle. So such early engagement is very important. It allows us to, from the beginning, plan for the strategies like my colleague mentioned at the beginning, like green water recycling, like rainwater harvesting, and equal like this. So if not early engagement done, we end up with some conflicts with redesign and costly change. But actually, if early engagement or mechanical engagement done from the beginning, we can shape the strategy from the master planning stage at the beginning. And the opportunity or the ability to have the big picture for your design is 100% required at this stage. So in order to not to redesign in future. Yes.
Totally agree.